Welcome friends, today I'm going to re-spool the trimming head on my Stihl FSE 60 model. Now I'll put this up against any gas model as this thing is a killer machine. The Stihl FSE 60 Weedeater uses the AutoCut C 6-2 trimming head. Hold the body of the trimming head in place. You can loosen the center nut counterclockwise using a large screwdriver or your hand. This first method I've used for many Weedeaters over the years. Insert the string about 1 inch in, and as you see the little arrow there, spool in that direction. When you have about 8 inches left, simply insert it on the notch on one side. And repeat for the other side. Insert each of the strings into the opposite eyelets. And tighten center nut. Now here's the most popular spooling method, and it works really well. Remove the head and remove the line. I used about 8 feet of this 2mm green line. First push the inner white piece and the nut in place. Make sure both sets of arrows on the inner white and the outer black parts line up. String your line through one end where the arrows are, and it will come out the other side. Go ahead and pull it through and make sure both lines are of equal length. Then turn the white plastic part so the string winds up into the trimmer head. Screw the center nut back on tightly. Make sure there is about 5 or 6 inches on each side. It will automatically be cut by the little trimmer blade. And there you go, ready for some yard work. I hope this video has helped out. Please subscribe and check out my other videos. Thank you.